how to use Grok 3 AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to access and use Grok 3 AI, the advanced AI chatbot from XAI. Whether you want it for answering questions, deep research or just having fun, I have got you covered. So let's dive in. First of all, launch your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari or Firefox. Any browser will work. Now tap the search bar and type Grok. Hit search and you will see different website link appear. Navigate to this website XAI. This is the official page for Grok 3. Click on it and you will be directed to the Grok 3 announcement page. Once you are on the website, you will see a big try now button. Click on it to proceed. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner. You will be asked to verify that you are human. To sign in, you have two options, continue with Google or continue with Apple. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on continue with Google. Choose an Google account. You can manage sign in with Google in your Google account. Tap on continue. After, you will be redirected to the main page Grok 3 dashboard, and that's it. Your account is ready and you can start using Grok 3 AI instantly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.